Hey everybody, how's it going today? It is me, Captain Energy, and I am here today with another video for you to show you how to use the JT-4000 with an AKAI MPC. Last week, as you may know, I did a video where you could hook up the JT-4000 using an external MIDI connector device to devices like the Sonicware SimpleTrek or other devices that don't have the ability to control a device that uses USB. They only connect to MIDI devices, and that's a small problem for this device since this small device only has USB. Not really a problem though if you've got that external connector. So this week I'm going to show you how to hook it up to a device that does support external USB devices like the MPC from AKAI, the AKAI Force, basically any MPC really. There are other devices that probably do this, but the MPC is the only one that I have access to, as well as the AKAI Force. I have that, but so we're going to use that. But before I get going, I just want to tell you all, thank you so much for 1,500 subscribers. I can't believe that we are at the 1,500 mark. I'm hoping to get to higher than that over this next year. I'm hoping to get to 10,000 in not too long. I just want to let you all know that if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you do. I had about 12,000 or so views, 11,000 views, somewhere in the neighborhood in the past week. And that's insane that I only got maybe 30 new subscribers off that. So if you are one of the people who has not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would. I put out content pretty consistently, and it's usually aimed to help somebody out there or everybody out there. Usually someone asks a question, I make a video, and other people enjoy the video from that or from that question. So if you have a question, hit me up. I'll be happy to help you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It would really make me smile. Anyway, all right, so here we go. Here's the AKAI MPC 1. This isn't even the 1 Plus or anything crazy. This is like the one. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to get this thing hooked up to it. And we're going to use a USB cable for that. The USB cable that I'm going to use is the one that came with the Behringer JT-4000. It is a USB-C on one side, which goes into the JT-4000, and a regular USB type cable on the other side. And I'm going to bring that over here, and that goes right into the port right here. We have a USB port right here on the back. The MPC-1 only has one USB port. You can throw a hub on that if you need more USB ports. Say you want to hook up more devices, or if you want to hook up an external audio device or something else, an external keyboard of some kind. You can split this USB port off through a hub, just so you know. Now, if we go over here, I should be able to turn this on. And as you see, it's coming on now. The lights flashing and all that. You can see my little blue screen lit up. You'll notice that when I play it, if you can see, this little waveform is jumping around here, but you don't hear anything. That's because I did not hook up the audio yet. We're going to do that next. To do that, we need a 1/8" jack stereo to 2/4" jack splitter. Okay, so plug in here, headphones jack, and then I'm going to take this wire and go right in the back of the MPC. So this is basically using no external hardware. We don't need a mixer, though a mixer wouldn't be a bad thing because we could run more than 2 channels into the AKAI instead of just 2 channels. There we go. So now it's plugged in. Boom. And now that's all hooked up. You still can't hear it though if I play it. The reason you still can't hear it is because we still need to enable the audio in on this. Okay. So when you have the audio coming in, you need to turn on monitoring for it to be able to be heard. So we'll tap this little icon right here, the 3 bars going sideways. Tap that. That'll bring you to the screen. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see audio 1. I'm just going to hit on this where it says monitor to in. So now we have sound. Now what we want to do is we go back to the MIDI screen where we just were. So I'm going to tap go home right up here, and then I'm going to tap MIDI, and that will bring us back to the main screen. Now in order to play this, we still need to attach it to the MPC by MIDI. It's right now not connected. Nothing's happening when I go to play it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find this little MIDI icon. It looks like a little plug. It's the second one on the second row, so it's on the bottom row of icons right there. Just tap that. And now if I go down to this second group down here, you'll see it says MIDI 1. I'm going to tap that right there where it says the port, MIDI port. Turn this dial and you should see JT-4000 show up. Once you see JT-4000 show up, there you go. It's coming in. When it comes in, you'll notice right now we're hearing chords. That is because whatever is my MPC is set to on my scales in notes. Like if I hit shift and go to notes, you'll see that I'm on chords. If I go to notes, I can go to flat regular notes. If I were using an arpeggiator, it would adhere to that. Whatever I do have set up for my notes, this will listen to. So now if we go back here, I'm going to go back out to main. All right. Now this is ready to be part of our production. So if I go ahead and play the rest of the track that I was working on, right? And we just go. I can hit record and we can record. This can be recorded as audio. You can use the effects on the MPC with it. You can use the filters on the actual device. It just has a whole world of possibilities now that you can do that. And I just can't wait to explore them all myself. I was thinking, man, it'd be really cool to have like 3 of these here and boom, 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 and have 3 separate voices all run in by USB to my MPC on separate channels. It'd just be insane. You could limitless potential with this device. I can't believe a device that's this capable is so reasonably priced. Anyway, that's the whole video. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope that helps somebody out there. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll be glad to go into more detail with anything you need here. Again, thanks for the 1,500 subscribers. I will be doing a broadcast, like a live stream shortly, so I will keep you up to date. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll know when that happens so you can be here. I'm not saying there'll be giveaways, but there may be giveaways. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to get some stuff together, so if we can make it happen, then we will. I will see you all in the next one. Be safe, take care, have a great day. Keep on making music. Bye for now.